G'day! In today's video I'm going to replace the thermal paste on a Sapphire HD 7970. This one here is a 3 gig model. We have a look on the sticker here. We're a 7970 3 gig GDDR5, blah 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 blah. Now this, I believe, should be relatively straightforward. I reckon if we undo the 4 that go here, that will probably get us access to taking the whole cooler off, as most of the other ones look to be various braces and whatnot. So even though it's massive, this might be a relatively easy job. There we go, and with those removed, I can already feel it wanting to shift. Feel a little bit of weight. Where is it? One screw holding it down here. No, it's just a sticky pad. There we go. Let's crack it open. I'll leave that plugged in for now. Oh, actually it's already leaving, so I'll just disconnect it. There we go. 1 and 2. I'm going to put some isopropyl alcohol on here. Same with down here. And looking at that, we're fairly dry. It is due for replacement. I've already given it a quick dust blowout. If I go over it here, around it a little bit, just go over it lightly with a toothbrush. Not completely clean, but that's just definitely be a noticeable improvement over how it was heating up earlier. Or at least definitely going to be a noticeable improvement in thermal paste. Up to the bottom one here. This one's going to be even more straightforward. We don't have to be delicate about this one. Now I've got some Deep Cool Z5 here, but I'm nearly out of it. So I'll see how I go using what I've got. No, nearly. Basically am out of it. Grab a brush back. Spread that around. Now I'll reattach the fan. What I like to do here is leave the cooler down, and then I want to line up these holes. These holes. So I flip it over and fold it. It should kind of spring back to its original location. There we go. Push down here. And then work away with the screws once more. You could potentially go further and replace the pads, but usually I just like the quick method of just replacing the thermal paste. It's relatively inexpensive. You don't have to worry about having various thicknesses of thermal pads on hand. And usually it gets a little bit more life out of the card. Similar to like doing an oil change on a car, I kind of feel like, even though it's not, this is the cooling system, but you kind of understand the analogy. Go. Ready to go back in. Bye.